Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are thinking to start an hourly project on Upwork, then this video is for you. First, log into your account and head to the Find Work section. Use the search filter to locate projects matching your skills. Once you find a suitable project, review its detail and submit a personalized proposal. If the client accepts, discuss project specifics and set up a contract, opting for hourly payment. Collaborate on a work schedule and utilize Upwork's time tracking app to log hours accurately. Regularly communicate with the client, deliver quality work, and resolve any issues promptly. One complexion: ensure client approval of deliverables from payment processing. Following these steps fosters a successful partnership with clients on Upwork. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like, share, and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.